Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be doing this Berry Sangria makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead and get started. So for foundation, I am using my Maybelline stick foundation. I love this one so much. I feel like it's a great drugstore foundation. So if you're looking for something like this, I recommend you get this one because it's really good. To blend everything, I'll be using my Sigma Beauty Sponge. I do have a discount code and it'll be listed down below. For concealer, I'll be using this one by Maybelline as well, and it's called the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. To bake, I'll be using my Mercier translucent powder. I finally got it the other day that I went to Sephora. It's been a while that I used this, so I was super excited to use it again, and I'm really happy I got it because it's one of the best setting powders ever. To bronze my face, I'll be using the Chocolate Soleil bronzer by TooFaced. Next, I'll be applying blush, and I'm using this one by Sigma Beauty. For highlight, I'll be using the Anastasia and Amrezy collaboration highlighter. And if you guys didn't know, this is coming back, so you guys better get your hands on it because it's such a great highlighter. So now that the face is all done, I am moving on to the eyes, and for today's makeup look, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll be applying this nude eyeshadow on my crease. This is going as a transition color and also going as a base because I will be applying a darker eyeshadow in a little bit, and I want that dark color to have something to sit on. The next color I'll be applying is this dark burgundy eyeshadow, and I'm placing this on the crease with my Morphe M441. I am doing windshield wiper motions, and I do start with a very light hand just because it's a darker color, and it's always good to start very lightly and then just start building up the color, which is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm also going back with the first brush I was using to blend everything together. So what I'm gonna do next is do a half cut crease, and I always do this. I am using the same thing I always use, which is the LA Girl concealer in the shade Porcelain. But I am doing a half cut crease, and then I'm going to turn this into a halo eye, and you guys are gonna see how in a little bit. I'm going back with more of that deep burgundy eyeshadow, and I'm applying it on the outer half of my eye and as well as in the inner half of my eye. And the brush I'm using is a Morphe Y16. The next color I'll be applying is this champagne eyeshadow, and I'm placing this on the middle of my eyelid. I'm also going to be applying a tiny bit of this pink glitter on the center of my eyelid just to give it that more shimmery look. The lashes I'll be using today are by Koko lashes, and they're in the style Amour. So the eyes are all done now. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Let me know down below because I am obsessed with this look and I hope you guys loved it. But now I'm going back to the face. For lipstick, I'm using, well actually for lip liner, I'm using this MAC Whirl lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm using Lolita by Kat Von D. I finally got a new one. This is my second one. I just really love this lipstick and the color. I am obsessed. And finally, I am all done with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and also make sure you leave me a comment down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.